How to delete Instagram watch history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete Instagram watch history. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in a profile section, just tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on your activity. And now here in this section, simply scroll down and tap on watch history option. And now here you'll see the list of all the videos and accounts that you have recently watched. So here you can just tap on select, and after that you can simply select all the videos manually, and once you're done selecting it, you can simply tap on remove to remove all videos from your watch history. And here while you are in this section, you can also clear search history by tapping on the recent searches, and from here you can simply tap on clear all option, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here with that, it will clear all your recent searches as well. And that's it. Now you know how to clear your Instagram watch history. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.